My mama taught me always to be kind and to help those in need. I want my daughter to learn the same because
it's always important to be kind.
One thing that I'm remembering most these days is to keep our needs limited, and I would definitely like my kid to learn that too.
The most important thing my mother has taught me is gratitude and my faith in God. And also she always tells me that my actions and my behavior and the way I treat others is a reflection of her upbringing. So that is something that always stays with me and I'll always remember.
The one thing that I have learned from my mother as well as my father is to do good for others and to speak well of everybody. And one thing that I'm strongly teaching my child is to speak up. Speak up when he's right, irrespective of who the other person is. This was something which was unfortunately not taught to me when I was growing up. In fact, I was taught absolutely the opposite of letting go of whatever is happening around me. And I wouldn't want my child to learn that.
This Mother's Day, I would like to thank my mother for one thing, which is the gift of inborn happiness. She's taught me to be happy in each and every situation. She's taught me to make my own happiness. And it's the very same thing that I would like to pass on to my son as well. I call it the seed of inborn happiness. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. This year, it is super exciting for me to celebrate Mother's Day with Vansh because it's Vansh's birthday as well. So we are doing double dhamaka at home, but we'll make sure we wish our mamas and we also feel grateful for the bachchas in our lives. Hope you all have a wonderful day. See you.
There is a lot I have learned from my mother. Believing in myself is one of the greatest learning, I would say, because the first step to anything is to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, who is going to believe in?
Very happy Mother's Day to everyone. My mom's taught me a lot. She's taught me to be tough during tougher times, and she's also taught me to always put your family first. I love her carefree attitude and we all love her. We love you!
So one thing which has really helped me and which I learned from my mother is to ignore small things. She told me to always evaluate a situation in a way that if it's going to affect my life a lot, and if it does, then only I should, take it to a heart or try to solve it, etc. But if it's something really small, I should not get fixated with it. I should just let it go and do as per the situation wants. So
I've seen my mom actually taking care of my mother's side, the father's side, everybody actually. She's still so much attached to all of them. And probably that has rubbed on me of taking care of the people around me. So I will be always thankful to her for putting in the value of love and affection and the family.
I would like to share what I've learned from my mom over a period of years, right from the age of 10 years, and how it has helped me during this period of lockdown, especially from making handmade makhan, ghee, making perfect roti.
Hi, my name is Khushi Gupta. I would like to learn what my mother learned from my nani. I learned how to make pancakes, eggs, dosas, and keeping things in place. I wish all mothers a happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.